Hi guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect your wallet to Wcoin. I will show you guys how you can connect your Trust Wallet address to Wcoin. So guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and commenting, as that will help grow this channel. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to tap on the wallet icon there at the top right corner. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on the wallet icon. So guys, now you can see here is the next step. You can see what's written here, wallet. You can see my balance. So guys, now you can see where it is written Trust Wallet address. What they need you to do is to go over to Trust Wallet and copy your wallet address. You can see what's written there. They said open the wallet and copy ton address. So the wallet address you're going to Trust Wallet to copy is for ton. You have to copy ton wallet address from Trust Wallet. Then you come over here and paste it here. So guys, that's what you need to do. That's what they need you to do. So guys, now let me go over to my Trust Wallet to show you guys how you can copy your ton wallet address. So guys, it's very easy to do. So let me go over to Trust Wallet. But in case you don't have Trust Wallet, you can tap on where it is written I don't have Trust Wallet. Once you tap on it, it will take you through the process of downloading and installing Trust Wallet and starting up your Trust Wallet account. So guys, it's very easy. So guys, now I've already created a Trust Wallet account. So let me go over to my Trust Wallet now. Let me minimize. So guys, once you open up your Trust Wallet, the next step you have to take now is to tap on the search icon. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it, that magnifying icon. You have to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to search for ton. So you have to type in ton right there. So let me type in ton, T-O-N. Then you tap on search. So guys, now you can see ton right there. You can see there, that's the first option. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see receive. You can see the receive icon there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see your ton wallet address right there. You can see there being encircled. So guys, now for you to copy that wallet address, what you have to do now is to tap on copy. You can see there on the left hand side, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see copied. So guys, now we've been able now to copy our ton wallet address from Trust Wallet. So guys, now the next step you have to take now is to go over to your Wcoin on Telegram. So let me go back now. Let me minimize. So guys, now you can see we are back to Wcoin. So let me tap on the wallet icon at the top. You can see the arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now you can see we are back here. So what I have to do now is to paste the ton wallet address I copied from Trust Wallet. Let me paste it there. You can see where the arrow is pointing at it. So let me type it in there. Let me just paste it. So guys, now you can see I've pasted my ton wallet address right there. So guys, now the next step I have to take now is to tap on where it is written connect wallet. So guys, let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Let's just wait for a few seconds. Wow guys, you can see our ton wallet address we copied from Trust Wallet has been connected. So guys can see there the arrow is pointing at it, connected. So guys, now I've come to the end of this video and I believe this video was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment, as that will help grow this channel. See you in the next upload. Bye bye. Peace.